Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to connect Creatomate to n8n Cloud. This will allow you to automatically create videos using your Creatomate templates through a workflow in n8n. We will use the HTTP request node for this connection. Let's get started. First, go to your n8n Cloud workspace and log in. Click on the button to create a new workflow. Give it a name if you want, and then click the plus icon to add your first node. In the search bar, type in HTTP request and select the HTTP request node. This is what we'll use to send data to Creatomate's API. Click on the node to open its settings. Set the HTTP method to post. In the URL field, enter the endpoint for rendering videos. That URL is. Next, scroll down to the authentication section. Choose Header Auth. In the header name field, type the word authorization. In the header value field, you will type bearer, followed by your Creatomate API key. If you are not sure where to find your key, go to your Creatomate dashboard. On the left menu, click API keys. If you don't have one, click to create a new key, then copy it and return to n8n. Paste your API key after the word bearer with a space in between. It should look like this: bearer followed by your long API key. Now, go down to the body content type setting and choose JSON. This is where we define what the video should look like. You'll need the ID of your video template from Creatomate. Go to your Creatomate dashboard, open the template you want to use, and copy the template ID. In the body parameters section, paste the following JSON. Replace the template ID and the video source URL with your actual values. You can also change the text fields to anything you want. This is how you customize the video using your template. Now the HTTP request node is ready. Click the Execute Node button to test the request. If everything is correct, Creatomate will return a response that includes the render ID and a URL to the rendered video. You can now add more nodes to check the status of the render, wait for it to complete, and then send the video link to other services like email, Slack, or Google Drive. That's it. You've now connected Creatomate to n8n Cloud and triggered a video render using an automated workflow. This is a powerful way to scale video content using templates and data.